Are you not getting leads? Are you not converting the leads that are coming from your Facebook ads for auto detailing? This video is for you. I'm going to go over some of the tips on how to increase your lead conversion on Facebook ads so you can convert more leads and make more money for your business and fix this issue that you're having, because a lot of people have this issue and a lot of people start Facebook ads having this issue. And if you don't really know how to go about creating your ad and making your ad and streamlining the process for the customer, this can definitely happen to you. And if you're watching this video, most likely it is. So stay tuned and I will show you guys how to improve your ad conversion and help you guys with your ads. Okay. So this is the first ad we have here. This is just for an example purpose. Let me actually go to the ad here so we can see the full ad. And I'm going to show you guys kind of the breakdown of how I convert people on Facebook in a simple, streamlined process so you can get more conversions and get out of this rut where you're just not converting anybody. Or let's say, you got to make a conversion this week even to make ends meet. Hopefully this video can give you some value and help you guys with that. So pretty much you have the ad here and your ad should be similar. Hopefully you're doing some kind of interior or exterior cleaning. It doesn't really matter. We're going to break down how to convert people more. So this goes for a lot of different ad structures for local businesses. You want to have the picture, the call to action, and the text all perfect. And then you also want to have a perfect back-end process where you collect the customer's information, give them a phone call, and then close them on a sale. And then the sale process is all another part of that, and I'll go into that in this video so you can even convert even at an even higher rate than normal, above just the normal running an ad and closing people on the sale. Okay, I'll give that at the very end here. So the first thing, we're just going to go through the basics step by step to make sure you guys are all in the right first, get the fundamentals, and then I'll show you guys like the fancy stuff to optimize that conversion rate so you can, convert more people and make more ROI on your ad. Because there's a little thing that most people do on the phone call, and if they don't do the thing right, that tends to, lose leads if you're too expensive. So we'll go through that part. But just the basics, make sure you have a photo of your service and make sure it has a person in the picture. Just right off the bat, you want to have people in your pictures because people like seeing people. That's really, really basic. I want to make this video so basic for you guys so you just instantly be like, okay, I'm going to have a person in my picture because that's authentic, that's relatable. Super fundamental thing to have, okay? Second thing to have, you want to have a call to action in your offer, for your offer. So your call to action should be send a message. I do that for all my clients and I do that for all my ads. So for the button right here, it should be send a message just like this ad is. We'll actually go to this ad because it looks a little bit better. So we'll skip that ad, but it's pretty much the same ad. So go to this ad, see how they have send a message. That should be your call to action. If it's not, change that and you should get some more conversions with the messages there. The next part here for the call to action, you want to have the call to action at the very end of your text. So where they say call us and then put their phone number, this ad should have call/text and their phone number at the end of the ad. That's going to help you convert even more, okay? So it's super basic stuff, but if you don't have it, this could be why you're not converting, okay? So make sure you have that in your call to action as well. And then also another thing for your call to action, usually it's get a free quote. So that will be that's a really great go-to offer, is just say, hey, call/text us for a free quote, and then get a free quote. And then you should, that should be good for you guys on terms of your offer. Okay, so we went over picture, we went over offer. The next third basic thing here, guys, just have your text. To convert more people through your text, you want to filter out the people that you want as your customers. What do you mean by that? Well, pretty much what I mean by that is saying, hey, we do this, and this service. And then at the end, you have call/text us at your phone number. So you're filtering people out that only need those services that you're offering. So whatever your services are as a detailer, you want to put those services in here. And if you're not a detailer, you could be another industry like photography, you could be a landscaper, you could be lawn care, it could be anything. You want to filter people out for the services that you yourself make the most money on and convert at the highest rate on, okay? So that's what you want to do when you're converting people. So that's as far as the text goes, just say, hey, we do this and this service at a minimum pricing starting at $250. Call/text us at this. Okay. And then you want to say, hey, St. Louis and nearby areas. You can say that if you want. It does help though, because it calls out the nearby. It calls out your city just to say, hey, St. Louis, or hey, Los Angeles. Just call your city out. Okay. So say, hey, St. Louis, we do this and this service at minimum pricing starting at this amount. Call/text at this number. Very, very simple ad. It's just a 3-step ad on the text. And then a really good call to action offer with the free custom. Get a free quote when you call us or whatever. And then you'll also have the send a message button here. Okay. And then your picture will have, a person in there. It looks authentic. That's how you will convert more people, by being more authentic and being more clear, straight to the point, and having the send a message button with your phone number so people can do either one. Okay. So that's all going to help you convert more people. Hopefully you guys are getting some value from this. If you are, go down description, or not the description, go down the comment section. Let me know you guys are, or like the video. Also, I have my starter course down below if you guys want to learn how to do Facebook ads for your business and learn this at a faster pace. Or if you want to work with me and let me run your ads, I also have that offer down below as well, and we can do that. So let's keep going here. So those are the main 3 things that I would say. And then on the text, or not on the text, but on the send a message part, you want to say, hey, what's a good phone number to reach you at? If you guys are coming off bad in the messages, you're going to not convert as well. So just say, hey, what's a good phone number to reach you at? They'll give you their phone number. And if you're not calling them, make sure you're calling your leads. And that's another reason why you're probably not converting, is because you're not calling your leads. And then another reason why you may not be converting, even if you call the lead and they say, hey, you're too expensive, I'm going to find someone else. Have a downsell for these people, because you're going to need a downsell, like $100 package, and say, hey, we do this package for $100 in cases like these, because a lot of our clients say we can't do those prices. So, have a downsell. Okay. Always have a downsell. So that's the bonus tip I'm giving away on top of all these fundamental tips, is have a downsell. Okay. So, and in terms of, any other tips to help convert, it's really a case-by-case situation, just because it's such a optimization type of thing. But, those are the fundamentals. That's what's going to help you guys convert in a super basic fundamental way. So hopefully, you guys gain a lot of value from this video. I'm starting to do more videos now where, I give people value instead of doing more tutorial type videos. So hopefully this is really helping you guys. And if you guys want to learn Facebook ads, go down in the description below, click on my starter course. Or if you want to work with me, I can help you run your ads, get started within 24 to 48 hours, and we can go that way as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. See you guys.